Hello everyone, it's Peter here from ScreenProtector, guys. As I've promised, we will be checking compatibility of mainboards at Polaroid TVs. Okay, if we can do some Frankenstein. One board, put it into another model. Screen-wise, it's the same, so power supply should be the same. The question is, are the connections and pins, yes, are the same? That's the question in this video. Hopefully it won't be long. I will try my best to be 5 to 10 minutes, so bear with me. I'm going to open this one, yes, and I'll put back the recording on. Thank you. Be right back. Okay, let's make it official, yes. I've unscrewed all the screws. Okay, I'll make a photo how it looks like and I'll show you this photo here. Okay, so I didn't do the best quality photo, I'm aware of that, okay, but we can see that here we've got a main board, we've got a T-con, and we're missing power supply, so I know there was an issue with the power supply. Okay, now we've got a one connector, two connectors. So that's a backlight, yes, that's a backlight connector, that's a power supply connector, and the third one would be just the mains, yes, so the power coming in from the socket, yes. So now here we can see as well that we've got a main board connector, we've got a backlight connector, and we've got a power connector, so it's the same. Now the question is, will it fit? Okay, so I'll unscrew this one first. Okay, I'll unscrew it and we can just, I'll unpause it and we will try to fit it. We will see if it will fit. It will fit, you know, like what we've got to lose. Both are dead anyway. So I've got this power supply and this is a Vestel 17 IPS 72. Okay, but there are different revisions of them and they are different for different sizes of the screen. Okay, so if the driver doesn't work properly but the power supply in general will be working fine and only there will be issues with the backlight, I can cut off the backlight and pull my backlight driver, okay, and that will solve the issue as well, and then maybe we will have another good TV. So let us check it out. First, can we fit it here like this? Screws are matching, connector is matching, backlight compatible as well, and I don't see the power one. Okay, so you know what, I'll screw that in and I'll connect the connector from the power from that cracked screen TV. And let's start it. Let's see what it will show us on the screen. Okay guys, I'm a bit nervous because I never done such experience, such, you know, Frankenstein thing with these Polaroids. Hopefully nothing will blow up. T-cons are disconnected, to be true, and the red is blinking, but T-cons are disconnected, so hold on a wee sec. I need LVDS signal. Hopefully I'm not speaking too quiet, but my boys are going to sleep. Okay, so I remember there was that power supply was dead. Now the power supply is fine, so we get a good power supply, so that's a positive thing, but we still got an issue with no signal. One LVDS connector is off, second is on. Still the same, okay. And now the second one, the opposite side, okay? If it's still the same, okay, half of the screen is not giving us signal, half of this, look, now we've got it, okay? So we know that one side is just dead. So I need to figure out. So that's part one, okay? That's part one. I won't be doing more on that video, okay? Let me close this down in 1 minute. So to sum up, I had one cracked screen TV of the same size of the Polaroid. I had second with the same size, of course, screen, but with a cracked screen, okay? So one had the issue with power supply, like there was no power supply was dead. Second had a cracked screen. I've used this one, 17 IPS, Vestel one, and this which you see on the screen, and I've connected. It turns out that there is an additional fault, okay, which I need to find. If I can find this additional fault, then I partially found it, yes. If I can find it and if I can fix it, then I will have from 2 TVs, I will have one, yes. And you know, it's a win. At the end of the day, it's a win. Will I be able? I don't know. I need to check it, but I don't want to make a long video. You've got 8 minutes. So that's a part 2, that's end of part 2, and I will try to find the fault. If I will find it, I'll record third video. What I've done, how I've resolved it, or what I need to do to resolve it, okay? But for now, everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you get a value. You see, you can do Frankenstein out of 2 Polaroids, because that's proven. Unfortunately, I've got a, you know, additional problem which I need to deal with, but voila! Frankensteins in Polaroids, not only in Samsung, are possible, yes? So thank you guys for watching. If you did like, here's likes for you, or if you did subscribe, thank you guys. That's really helping and motivating me to do more than just recording for my customers and learning on my own. If I can share with you, believe me, that make me more happy as well. Thank you guys. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye-bye.